and we're back here at the elephant camp. Finished lunch at the buffet. Presented Crew M with his birthday present / going away present. Fed some elephants up here. And then got to watch the elephants go in and out of the water.
Oh my gosh. Give him a bit of a bath, huh?
Thought he was drowning at first.
I mean, he's probably loving that.
Oh.
He's either loving it or hating it.
Bath time, bath time.
Happy. Chi lời tìm. Chị Hiểm đấy đấy. 10 ปีอาบเตื้อ เดี๋ยวเราไปถ่ายตอนนั่ง
Can't wait to see what's next.
ได้สบู่ยี่ห้ออย่างนี้
Ooh. Uh-oh. Better get out of the way. All right.